Hello and welcome back to Thirdstone, my N-gauge large model railway. So as you can see, I've made a little bit of progress on the layout. I've been busy designing and 3D printing roundhouse parts and the turntable ring. So that is a 15-degree turntable, designed to fit with the Pico N-gauge turntable well and bridge. And also we have been busy putting in the custom controllers. These are the PWM, the cheap Chinese PWM controllers, which I've now mounted in the fascia. Need to sort out some of the LEDs which didn't survive the transplant. Also, here's a proto mimic board. So the idea is getting those isolation switches off of the temporary board and onto some kind of control panel here. Obviously this is only section 1, so it mimics the layout up here. It's not quite correct, and it needs to be a little bit larger. So wondering how I'm going to do that. Might do it with 3D printed lines, so raised lines with holes for the switches and the LED lights and things to go through. Haven't decided yet. And then over to the side we can see that I've added in some of the board which goes around the double bed, and then we're going to have to put some pictures up here because it's a big chunk of open space. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Very short video this time. I'll tack on some running video at the end of this so you can see some trains go around. So thanks for tuning in, and see you soon. Bye.